Let's talk about some of Softing's fiber optic cleaning tools. We have others, but these are probably the most popular. This is the CleanMachine. There's a couple different variants of this. First is the LC. This is for actually 1.25 ferruled fibers. It has 800 clicks in it, which is a lot more than competition. It's extendable to have a longer reach here, and it has a multi-purpose tip to be able to get the end of the fiber and also into the bulkhead, as well as a cap on there as well. This is our 2.5 millimeter connector, so this will work with SC, ST, and FC, and this one will work with LC. And again, this is both into the fiber and bulkhead connections. So let's just show a quick use of one of these test tools. First one we're going to do is cleaning the end face of a fiber. I have a dirty end face. I'm using the LinkXpert M3 as my viewer, and I'm using the Softing fiber optic microscope to look at that, so I can actually see that that end face is dirty. That's a 400x magnification. Let's pop this end face out and take the end of the CleanMachine, in this case just the little cap off, insert it into the tool, click, and let's see if we've had success. And significantly cleaner with the CleanMachine. The other way that we can use the test tool is actually go into the bulkhead connection as it's mounted to the patch panel. So let's step over and take a look at that. In this instance, I'm going to actually extend the test tool, and I'm going to take the cap off of the end entirely, and that will allow me to get all the way into that LC bulkhead connection and clean the fiber while it's mounted to the patch panel. Let's do it one more time. That's the Softing CleanMachine.